Live from the Bungee Bug Studio in Columbia, Illinois, it's David Mueller666, also known as David Brian Mueller, David B. Mueller, David Brian Michael Mueller, David Mueller. Whoever he is, here he is in the studio again with a new webcam, testing out some sound levels here for future posts. We're just trying to get the levels right here. You know, I had experienced some severe trauma here a couple years back and had neglected my studio for the most part, my guitar, and trying to pick it up here again. So we're just doing a little sound check here in this video. Put this up as a post and see how it sounds. Just trying to check some sound levels out here. I'm using this Logitech C920 I just purchased recently. It took me several days here to sort through to find some software that I can get the audio coming through right. I hope I got it straight. Now we'll see how it works out. But I hope to bring some more material to you real soon. This is David Mueller666. Bye.